Today we're introducing the HiBREW H4C Portable coffee machine. Today we'll make a coffee outside without any big machine. Just take your H4C Portable coffee maker. It's small, lightweight, easy to carry. You can even put it in your bag. Charge it and use it anywhere you want. You can choose ground coffee or capsules as you like. And you even have two modes, cold brew and hot brew. Brew your coffee in the airport, outdoors, or anywhere life takes you. And that's it. Your coffee is ready, made with love with HiBREW.